2007 Toyota Tacoma Double Cab 4-wheel drive. This vehicle features the following equipment, not specified: 6-sill, 4WD painted bumpers, air conditioning, vanity mirrors, cruise control, side impact door beams, tire pressure monitor, EBD electronic brake disc, EBA emergency brake assist, power steering, power door locks, power windows, alloy wheels, clock, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, reclining seats, cloth upholstery, step bumper, sliding rear window, bed liner, fog lights, trailer hitch, AM/FM stereo radio, adjustable headrests, telescoping steering wheel, bucket seats, child safety locks, keyless entry, overhead console, anti-theft device S, folding rear seats, center armrest, door pocket S, adjustable lumbar seat S, center console, tonneau cover, 4-wheel drive, compact.